Hello, this is Bruce Pickerel at CNS Press, and I'll be showing you how easy it is to place stationery orders using the storefront. Detailed login instructions can be seen at the bottom of the login screen, so after you're into the site, you should see something like this. Depending on your location, your screen might be a little different, but stationery items will be the same for everyone. You can get to the items either using the pull-down screen or by clicking on the stationery thumbnail to the left. Let's start with business cards. Fully customizable, just click on the Continue button to bring up the next screen. Here you'll notice that most of the stuff for each restaurant is already pre-populated, like the address, phone numbers, etc. All you need to do is fill in the information that's personal to you, like your name and your title. Maybe you have more than one, just fill in that blank. And if you like what you see so far, you can just simply go down to the bottom and hit Preview. You may have to scroll around a little bit to get to the little preview window, and that's exactly how this card will print. You can make changes as many times as you want. You can add or delete things. Let's add a cell number and watch it change. Now the cell number is already positioned off to the far right as corporate standard. You can also add an email address, and it'll appear at the very bottom next to the website. But it'll automatically add a bullet to separate the website from the email address. I'm going to delete the fax number and preview again. And you can also download a PDF of this. This is the exact same file that we're going to use for print production. From here, we can zoom in to make sure everything looks perfect. You can scroll down and change the quantity if you like. Accept that proof. Add that to the cart as well. Let's browse some more products. There's also letterheads, which are available. There's many different types. Some are guest relations, and there's a custom letterhead you can also use to make yours personalized. Just click on the Continue button. Here you can type in your name and a title if you like. Oh, typo. The address information is already pre-populated, and you can preview just like the other job. You can scroll around in here. You can also zoom in if you like, and you notice the address information is at the bottom. I'm just changing street abbreviation to spell street. And now if you zoom in, you'll see that now it says street. Kind of hard to see, but you can download a PDF of that too if you like. You can make changes here as long as you like, and to get what you like. Accept the proof and you're happy with that. Set a quantity, and add that to the cart. Let's do more shopping. Next, we'll look at some envelopes. There's many different types. Number 10 regular envelopes is a window envelope. There's also a custom envelope. This is just a regular envelope, and all I can do really here is just set a quantity. It's not a customized envelope. It has a standard P.O. box. I can choose the quantity there. Let's go back and choose a different envelope. This is a custom envelope, which will give me the chance to change information like the address, the city, state, zip code. If I like what I see, continue. Accept the proof, add that to the cart. You can change the quantity. The default is a minimum number of 500. Typically, envelopes come 500 in a box. Continue browsing, and guest relations also has a couple things you can pick from. There's a guest relations mailer, there's envelopes, letterheads, and other guest-related items you can pick from. Again, you can pull down this pull-down menu to get to another item like a note card. Only one's available right now. All you can do on that is put just your name. And let's preview that. Pretty simple little card. I like what I see. I'll accept that proof and set a quantity that I want and add that to the cart and continue. You don't have to get every stationery item, but you just pick what you want and continue. This notepad has the ability to be custom as well. Again, you can change this. Just like earlier, I changed the street to spell out street, or you can change it to any address you want. Maybe you want this mailed or to have a different street address, like your home address or a different office that you may also work at. Everything's pre-populated. Notice also if you type in a phone number, it automatically adjusts the phone number to be corporate standards no matter how you enter it. Even if you enter it with dashes or you put parentheses around the area code, it won't matter. The software's smart enough to change it to always fit it to be corporate standard style. So you can't go wrong that way. You have another preview. You can download this PDF just like the others. Here, we'll zoom in a little bit here so you can see if the address information looks like you like it. Accepting this proof, I'll add that to the cart after I set a quantity. I'm feeling generous, so I'll order 200. Items added to the cart, and I can either check out or continue ordering more products. This is a summary of everything I've ordered. You can still make changes here if you like. I can change the quantity and hit the check mark, and that sets it. You can also delete things by clicking on the little red X. Once you're finished here, you hit continue. You can set any shipping address you want here, or make it easy and choose the pre-populated information that's specific to your restaurant. You can also change this information. Like if you don't like this standard email, which it will send the order to, you can change it to some other email address. All shipments go UPS ground at this time. That may change in the future. If they are available, they'll appear right there where that little pop-up window is. Pressing continue to move to the next step, you'll see a summary of your entire order right here. And when you're happy with everything you see, just click confirm and submit. You can also add other things like another email. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just click on the help button on the top menu bar. Goodbye.